In this video, I will show you how to make passport size photo and passport size photo print layout easily. See, I make this photo into a passport size photo. I already removed the background from the photos. Go to this website, link below in description. Upload your photo to make passport size. You can also make a print layout from here. See the final result of the image here. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.